Hello curlies, it's Mary and welcome back to the Curly Closet. So today's video is going to be a very quick tutorial on this wash and go with a pinned up side with this beautiful queen pin from To All My Black Girls. It's also going to be a very quick first impressions review of the Twisted Sister range of products. So starting off, I use the Twisted Sister Luxurious Clarifying Shampoo with coconut, avocado and almond oils. Now, to be completely clear, this is not a sulfate shampoo, but as you can see, it lathers abundantly and it is definitely 100% clarifying. I found this to be amazing at getting rid of all types of product buildup or residue from my scalp and my hair. I'm not sure how hydrating it is, and that's not anything against the shampoo itself. That's just clarifying shampoos for me just generally tend not to feel hydrating at all, but it definitely does the job and does it very well. Now moving on to my deep conditioning. Now the Twisted Sister range does have a 3-minute moisturizing mask, but I didn't have that available to me at this time, so instead I used the intensive leave-in conditioner, which on the labeling it says that it can also be used as a deep conditioner. One thing I loved about this was how easily it went onto my hair. It has lovely slip. For me, it did okay as a deep conditioner, but I just love products that tend to be a lot more thick and feel, I don't know, just a little bit more intense on the way that they feel in my hair. But that's not to say that this didn't work well. It's definitely went onto my hair nicely and I did feel some nourishment from it. I just personally prefer thicker products, but it was good for finger detangling. In fact, it did very well for finger detangling my hair, so I enjoyed that, of course, and I put my hair in twists for deep conditioning, and then after time I rinsed it out. My hair felt pretty good afterwards, and again I just feel like I would need something a bit more intensive just the way my hair is, but that doesn't mean it's a bad product at all. Now you'll notice here that I actually used the same product, the intensive leave-in for my leave-in. So yeah, you may be wondering, like, why did you wash it out if you were going to just put it back in? Well, I kind of left my deep conditioner in a little bit too long, and yeah, so in order to refresh my hair a bit I just had to rinse it out. But I did reapply some a little later on just to use as my leave-in, which worked really well and combined well with the next product, which is Curl Perfection Cream Gel. Now the only piece of advice I would give would be, don't be like me and overdo it. I can be quite heavy-handed with products, and the leave-in conditioner does feel lovely going onto the hair, and I added quite a lot, and then I added a really good amount of the Curl Perfection Cream Gel, but in my opinion I added just a little bit too much. So it did leave a bit of residue on my hair, and also because the cream gel, to be honest, the consistency is quite thick and doesn't require too much of a product underneath it. It would be interesting to try this on its own just to see how well it works as a sort of one-step styler, because the consistency is thick and definitely has some hold to it. I wouldn't say it's a very high hold. It's not the kind of hold that you get from a gel, a really strong hold gel, but it definitely does have hold, and as you can see I used it to add coils to my hair. So now on to the star of the show. This is the Nourishing Sleek Edge Gel, and I was very impressed with this product. I really love this. You know, some edge controls are a little bit, I mean, they do well, but you know how type 4 hair grows up and out and doesn't always want to lay down. So you really have to, you know, your edge control really does need to be doing the business, and this edge control did not disappoint. You can see the shine and the hold. Now I didn't show this clearly on camera, but I did use my ball bristle brush to brush my hair up and then applied the pins afterwards just to make it clear. And then I'm going onto just adding the pin to my hair. Now be careful, I had to go off camera and fix mine because the rest of my hair was getting caught in it. But you just have to add it to your hair just carefully. But you do need to probably do this in the mirror and not in front of a camera like me. Anyway, that's my opinion of the product so far. This is how I achieved the style. It's so simple, doesn't require a lot of expertise or knowledge. You just pin up the side, put some pins in, and add a decorative pin, and you're done. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wishing you health, happiness, and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Take care. Bye.